Welcome to KrispCall. In this video, we'll guide you through a step-by-step process to buy the Slovenia phone number from KrispCall. To purchase your Slovenian phone number, visit KrispCall.com and either sign into your existing account or register for a new one. Navigate to My Numbers by clicking the plus icon or accessing it through Settings. Click Purchase New Number. Choose Slovenia from the drop-down menu. Customize your preferred number type and proceed by selecting Buy Number. Name your selected number and add it to your cart. You must submit documents containing your ID and local address to our customer department to get your Slovenian phone number. Click on Confirm Purchase. Once your Slovenian phone number is activated, you can make and receive calls. Get 100+ international virtual phone numbers from KrispCall and connect with your global audiences remotely from a single app. With KrispCall, you can get advanced features like Unified Call Box, Global Calling, Text Messages, Voicemail, Multi-Level IVR, Call Analytics. Contact our chat support for more information.